Windfall, wonderful audience. We win. Apparently, there's a way to do freshly. You run cold water over freshly done eggs, boiled eggs, and let's see how this is supposed to be. How you're supposed to do it.
I mean, it's not how. I mean, you can crack them however you want to, but.
Oh, see, look at that. That's just ridiculous. Why did it come out so easy for you?
I don't know why that one came out so easily like that.
That's just like completely broke.
Because normally it doesn't come out that way.
It like completely, wow.
Oh, and this one's going to be a little different.
Then you roll it.
I can feel by the egg.
Oh.
How long do you boil your eggs for?
Turn it on high, set the timer for 20 minutes, and then after it starts boiling, I move it down to medium. Yeah, I got tired of calling you and mother every time I was trying to keep forgetting the thing, so I just asked Lord, he just gave me one anyway. So you just basically grab it and smash it.
Normally, I'll smash it and then I'll roll it.
You roll it?
Yeah.
Oh. Wow, that seems to be fairly logical because you can almost do it with one hand. Oh, that's much simpler. What have I been doing all this time? I've been trying to peel them. Oh. Wow, that's much simpler. Wow, praise the Lord.
I cracked one.
Oh, who cares? I'll just make sure that those ones don't go in the refrigerator. So, but anyway, so that's it. This video's gone on longer than y'all get the idea.
Nom 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 nom. There you go.
Oh, so anyways, y'all, live, move, be. Now you know how to crack eggs that were boiled. Don't try that crack and roll technique if them things ain't been cooked, y'all.
Yeah. Don't do that on soft eggs. But make sure your egg is completely cool though, because you can tell by the outside of the egg. If the shell is cool, you should be good to go.
Yeah, if the shell is cool, you should be good to go. That's where we ran cold water. But y'all remember, live, move, be.